How to get a Samsonite coupon discount. Go to my video description link and click the discount continue button. On the official website, they will give you customer favorite product 25% off, 30% off, 50% off discount. Here you can see if you want to save 10% off any product you buy from them, you have to use this coupon code AFWD10. If you go to the website's last option and sign up here with your valid email, they will send you an update discount. If you need any support, click this contact us option page. If you face any problem, they will support you. However, if you need Samsonite 12-month update coupon and cashback discount, you will see a second link in my video description. Go and create a free account on top cashback. After creating your account, on the search option, search with this keyword Samsonite. Here you can see 10% cashback discount opportunities, 2 coupon code and 2 deals. All will help you to save money with confidence. And 12-month update coupon you will get here. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button.